what was the topic previous session? What was the topic?
Prabhuji,
Yes, yes, Vishaka.
Prabhuji, we learnt about gratitude.
Okay. So I had shared one story in previous session. So who can tell that story in short? That
Prabhuji,
story
you
was
shared that in WhatsApp.
not WhatsApp one. This is about the gratitude. This is a story of father and his children, and he want to quit his home. He was not able to see.
Prabhuji,
Yes,
can I
Prabhuji.
say?
Yes, yes, yes. So, okay. So who will tell? Okay, Vishaka is ready to tell. Okay, so I'll just okay. Let's hear from Vishaka. So what was the story?
Prabhuji,
एक second. Yes,
that
yes. Okay, Vishaka. And yes, where is our
Prabhuji.
Piyush? Ek second. Let me ask Piyush. Piyush, will you
Okay.
on your video? And Avyukta, please can you switch on your videos? Yes. Now you can tell.
Prabhuji, you told that there was a father and a mother, and he was a child. When he was little, he had all the facilities. Like he would get all the things, like everything he wanted when he was small. As he was growing up, his needs were getting lower, and his and her father and mother had to give him his needs had grow. So because not he wanted things that he didn't that he should not take.
Yes.
He wanted things he did not take.
Not good for him. Yeah.
So his father and mother told that you will not get these things. So after that, the child got very angry and told that I don't want to live with you and I don't want to see your face. And then he was telling that we want to go. As then the father and mother thought thought and they told that where would you go? So the boy told that we uh, what's your why do you need Rauji, how will I why to know it? So the father told that uh, this night you can stay in a house. If people live there, but they have gone somewhere, so you can stay over there. So the boy thought for a while, and then he told that okay, stay. So as in the morning he got up, everything was dressed for his school. His breakfast was ready. Everything that he needed for getting up and mm, continuing his routine. He got all the things. Then when he came back from school, he had all his all the food, the routine daily of coming. Then he thought that who is this doing who is this who's doing everything. इसके बाद प्रभु जी मेरे को ढंग से याद नहीं है. What was the lesson from this story?
It's okay, no problem. Thank you. You told story completely. Yes, who can tell us lesson? What was the lesson from that story? When we do not see the things, yeah. Yes, yes, beta. Mera. Yes, Mera.
Prabhuji, the lesson from this story will be that we just have to open our eyes and see what God has given us. We just think that God has not given us anything, and then we think that God isn't there. But actually, whatever we're getting is given by God.
Okay, yeah, very beautiful. Thank you. Yeah, that was a lesson. When we do not see the blessings, when we do not see the things we receive from our parents, from the God, then we complain. But when we acknowledge the things, the blessings we are receiving, then we are grateful and we are happy. Yeah, that was the theme of previous session. So today's session is about karma, the law of karma. We will see what is law of karma, how this
Prabhuji,
works.
I love this topic. Prabhuji, this topic.
I love this topic.
Okay, so we will have some exciting discussion. We will try to do some
प्रभु
good.
जी, हमको एक्चुअली इसके बारे में सब कुछ पता है क्योंकि मेरी एक फ्रेंड की जो मम्मी है वो प्राणिक लिंग करती हैं, तो हम लोग को वो एक क्लासेस ली, स्पेसिफिक क्लासेस ली थी कर्मा के बारे में बताने के लिए। मेडिटेशन, हाँ उसमें मेडिटेशन किए थे, हम लोग को बहुत मजा आया था, तो हमको पता है।
ठीक है. So we will talk about the karma. What is the law of karma? Who, who, who is the actual person who controls all those things? And many people do not believe in karma. And many people say this karma, all those things are rubbish things. And these things is just to just pacify somebody, or if law of karma is there, why good things happen to bad people? Why bad things happen to good people? And it shows that there is no law of karma. We see some very innocent people get such beatings and some disease, and sometimes when we see very person is very cruel, and even we say the criminals, they are rich. So all these things shows that there is no law of karma. Otherwise, all those things happen. So we will see how we can do we need to know law of karma? Is our life is also bound by karma, and what are the benefits of law of karma? So this is our topic of discussion. So before starting, let me ask you one question. Do you believe in law of karma? So law of karma is there is an action and there is a reaction. For each action we get a reaction. In the Bible it comes, uh, we will reap as we sow. So shall you reap. So how do you believe in karma? Is it true or not? What is your opinion? So can you raise your hand who believes in karma? Okay. And who doesn't believe in karma? Okay. कर्मा में कौन कौन बिलीव नहीं करते? And we will have a discussion then. Okay, if you do not believe and why do you believe? So, okay, so who the Pratyush and Avyukta and Piyush. Okay, since your video is not on, I am not able to see. Can you write in the chat? Do you believe in karma or not? Everybody can write in the chat. So then we can see. Okay.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay, you believe in karma. Okay.
Yes.
And Avyukta? Okay. And Pratyush? Sorry.
Yes. Prabhuji, we both believe in karma. Yep. Grade
Okay.
1 Prabhuji.
Okay, so everybody believes in karma. So I am only the person. Okay, so let's have a group discussion. So I am at the side who doesn't believe in karma, and you all believe in karma. So let's have a discussion. Okay.
Yes,
So
Prabhuji.
you need to convince me that there is a law of karma.
Prabhuji, can you?
Okay.
Prabhuji,
Okay.
can
Okay.
Prabhuji,
Yes.
can
Yes. Yes. One by one. One by one. One by one. Okay. So at
why you
least.
don't believe in karma?
Okay. Okay. Let's. Okay. You need to ready with my questions also. So Hitashi and Harshi, can you on your videos, beta? So that we can see
On only.
you on only. But you
Prabhuji,
can- Yes.
hello.
Yeah, my camera is also on only.
प्रभु मैं तब से ट्राई कर रहा हूँ, अपना वीडियो ऑन करने का पता नहीं है हो क्यों नहीं रहा।
Okay. No problem. But okay.
My
Now Harshi, I'm able to
हमारा
see.
वीडियो ऑन है.
Prabhuji, if you don't see anyone's video, just pin it and then unpin it, so you'll be able to see. Because of some internet, I think it's happening. It happened with me also.
Okay. So now we are able to see Harshi and Hitashi. Thank you, beta. So let me ask you specifically. Do you believe in karma, Harshi and Hitashi? Okay. Yes. So let me take a side of person who doesn't believe in karma. So you need to convince me, and we have a discussion on the karma. So how you will convince the person that there is a law of karma? Okay. So let's take. हाँ बेटा. Yes बेटा. Yes बेटा. So एक तो नहीं बेटा आपको नहीं बोल रहा मैं बोलने के लिए मैं बोलूँ कि yes बेटा you will get chance बेटा. So let me ask someone who doesn't speak because they also get encouraged, na? So let me ask Alekhya. Yes. because she is very quiet girl and she was at least open. Her video is on. Okay. Yes, Alika. So you believe in karma. So how you will convince someone that there is law of karma? Yes. No. Yeah. अच्छा, Abhyas says no. Okay, ठीक है. Yes, Alika, your turn.
Prabhuji, let me think.
Okay, you think. So, okay, so let me give chance to uh, who will speak. Yeah, Vanshika, yes, bit. Vanshika, you can tell.
Prabhuji, if you think that sometimes with good people bad things happen and with bad people good things happen, this is because with bad अगर bad बुरे लोग के साथ कभी अच्छा होगा ही नहीं तो वो कभी अच्छे की तरफ बढ़ ही नहीं पाएंगे. अगर उनके साथ कभी अच्छा हो तो उनको शायद लगे कि हाँ कोई मेरे साथ अच्छा कर रहा है तो मैं भी उसके साथ अच्छा करूँ.
Okay, so your point is अगर बुरे अच्छे लोगों के साथ बुरा होता है क्योंकि अच्छे लोगों के साथ बुरा होता है जिससे कि वो समझ पाए कि अच्छा है. नहीं, I don't understand. Yes.
मैंने कहा कि जब बुरे लोग के साथ अच्छा होता है तो हम लोग सोचते हैं कि बुरे लोग के साथ अच्छा हो रहा है, अच्छे लोग के साथ नहीं हो रहा है. मैं अच्छे लोग की बात नहीं कर रही, मैं बुरे लोग की बात कर रही हूँ क्योंकि उनको भी अच्छे की चांस मिलनी चाहिए, भले वो दूसरों के साथ बुरा करे क्योंकि उनके साथ किसी ने बुरा किया ही नहीं, किसी ने उनके साथ अच्छा किया ही नहीं होगा, उनको पता ही नहीं चलेगा अच्छा होता क्या है. अगर उनके साथ किसी ने बुरा किया होगा तभी तो वो बुरे की तरफ बढ़े. अगर अच्छा कर रहा होगा उनके साथ तो उनको पता चलेगा अच्छे, हमको भी अच्छे की तरफ बढ़ना चाहिए.
Okay. Okay. So the person who are not
अ,
so good, Krishna gives them
प्रभु जी
something good so that they will learn that something good is there and they try to do good. Okay.
प्रभु
Yeah.
जी मेरी मम्मी हमेशा कहती हैं कोई तुम्हारे साथ कितना भी बुरा व्यवहार करे तुम उसके साथ अच्छा व्यवहार करो, तो वरना तो वो 10 बार तुम्हारे साथ बुरा करे तुम उसके साथ अच्छे करो, आखिरी में वो तुम्हारे साथ अच्छा करेगा ही करेगा.
ये तो ध्रुव महाराज की माँ भी बोलते थे बिल्कुल सही. अच्छा, my obeisances to her. Okay, so let's hear from Vishaka. Yes, yes, Vishaka के बाद नित्या.
प्रभु जी, मैं चाह के भी इसे समझ नहीं पा रही हूँ.
Okay, okay. So आप इस कर्मा में बिलीव करते हैं. You are a strong believer of karma, and I am the person who represents who doesn't believe in karma. So my question to you, okay, Vishaka. So how can you say there is karma exists in this? I do not believe in karma. So what example you can give? Some general life example. Okay, may I help you? Like in the exams, when we study, we get good marks. This is good. When we do not study, we do not get the good marks. This is law of karma. So as we do, this social we get. Okay, so okay, this is how we can understand. But still, I do not believe in karma. Let's see what Nitya and Sanskrit says. Okay, thank you, Shai. Yes.
प्रभु जी बताओ क्या ऐसे.
अच्छा, younger one कौन है? Who is the younger one? Yes.
प्रभु जी can you repeat? I was not able to listen.
Okay. मेरा क्वेश्चन था कि we have a discussion on the law of karma, and all of you are a strong believer in karma, law of karma. But I represents the person who doesn't believe in karma. Now your task is to convince me that there is a law of karma. Okay.
प्रभु जी क्या ऐसे.
Yes, beta. Your turn only.
प्रभु जी एक तो ये है कि कोई और पीपल जैसे कोई और जन हम लोग जैसे ट्रीट करेगा वो उनका कर्म है, और हम लोग जैसे वो लोग कोई दीदी हमको कुछ बोल रही है वो दीदी का कर्म होगा. फिर अगर दीदी हमको कुछ बुरा बोले तो हम जैसा रिएक्ट करेंगे वो मेरा कर्म होगा. प्रभु जी मैं बोलो. और हम लोग को
हाँ, अभी बेटा उनको
हम
बोल
लोग
दे,
को
उनको खत्म
फ्यूचर
करने
हम
दो.
लोग के हाथ में है. बस हम लोग को एक नया अच्छा सीड मतलब ग्रो करना है. मतलब ऐसा होता है कि हमने कुछ किया तो एक पूरा सीड बन ग्रो हो गया, मतलब ऐसे कुछ
अच्छा
ऐसे
तो
ही समझो. प्रभु जी कह रहे हैं. प्रभु जी.
हाँ,
प्रभु जी.
अभी बेटा let them complete बेटा. Let them complete. Yes, 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 Nitya.
प्रभु जी वीडियो द लॉर्ड फैक्टर्स. वो अभी भी से देखकर बोल दिया.
अरे कोई बात नहीं बेटा. चलेगा. Yes, yes, Nitya, Nitya, you can say.
Prabhuji, what is it? Use good karma in your studies.
Hmm.
हम लोग को अपना गुड कर्मा को स्टडीज में यूज करना है.
Okay.
जैसे प्रभु जी हम लोग को जैसे हम लोग ये सब सीख रहे हैं, हम लोग ने कुछ अच्छा कर्मा किया होगा, तभी गॉड वांट्स अस दैट वी शुड लर्न दिस.
Okay.
अब दूसरा है गॉड कैन नॉट बी मॉक्ड.
Okay.
प्रभु
Prabhuji,
एक
Beta.
गॉड को
Yes. Thank you, Sanskrit. Sanskrit.
God
Sanskrit.
cannot.
Okay, Sanskrit, your point is that since we are having a good association, that shows that we have done some good karma previously. That's what your point is. So whatever we have, it shows that we have done something good in previously. Okay, thank you. Yes, बोलिए अभी बेटा, हम आपका ही वेट कर रहे थे. बोलिए.
प्रभु जी हम
नहीं अभी अभी अभी.
प्रभु जी
Yes.
प्रभु जी
Yes.
मैं पढ़ाई करता हूँ तो मुझे मैं
आप पढ़ाई करते हैं तो
मुझे फुल मैं पढ़ाई करता हूँ तो मुझे फुल मार्क्स मिलता है. फिर जब मैं नहीं पढ़ाई करता तब मेरे पास मार्क्स नहीं आते.
yeah, very beautiful example. I remembered one more example. When I am very naughty, when I do break something, then I get beating of my mother. But when I am very nice, when I follow the instructions from my mother, then I get lot of blessings, sweets. That is also love karma. Okay, thank you, beta. Very happy to hear from you. Yes. Okay, so हमारे हर्षी and Hitashi, who will speak first? Okay, anybody.
अभी मैं गई थी बाहर पापा को फोन देने.
Okay,
तो
so
खुशी
ठीक है. So okay, you think both of you can think. Alike, are you able to remember any point? So let me specifically ask you a question. Now my question is, you all said there is a karma and हम लोग अच्छा करते हैं तो अच्छा results आता है. When we study we get good marks. When we do not study we do not get good marks. And in the office we see when person do good performance he get a good appraisal, he get a salary hike. But if he doesn't perform good, he may get a demotion. Okay, so this shows there's a cause and effect. So let me ask you this question. We see there are so many things in this world. There are so many terrorists, there are so many criminals, they do harm to other countries. When we see the countries, whole countries.
Please repeat.
Yeah, let me complete my question. We see the countries, they have a policies which are not favorable for other worlds, and sometimes we see that they are flourishing. So how is it possible? Somebody who is cruel, who is not good heart man, who is doing wrong, but they are getting prosperity. Why?
Prabhuji.
Okay, raise your hand. Okay, raise your hand. Yes, Vishaka has raised her hand. Alika, I want to hear from you. Where are you?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, हाँ बोली बेटा.
प्रभुजी अगर हम लोग जो भी करें हम लोग लास्ट में तो पकड़े जाएंगे, इसलिए फिर हम लोग को फिर लास्ट में सजा भी मिलेगा.
Okay, ठीक है. So good point. Yes, Vishaka.
Repeat the question.
Vishaka. Yes.
प्रभुजी दिस इज बिकॉज मैंने मम्मी से सुना, मैंने सच ज्यादा देर तक नहीं छुपता. If we do something wrong, we try to hide it. We try to hide that we did not do that wrong thing. So मतलब किसी ना किसी वजह से हमें मतलब हमारे जो हम उनको पता चल जाता है कि हमने काम किया, तो सच ज्यादा देर तक नहीं छुपता.
Okay. So both of you have same point that temporarily may be getting some prosperity, but in long term they will not, and they will get
Can
the sufferings.
I?
Yes. Anybody has any other point?
Yes, Prabhuji.
हाँ बोलिए बेटा.
मैं बोल रही हूँ कि अगर हम लोग
Prabhuji,
एग्जाम
please repeat the question.
Alika, can you repeat
अगर
the question also
हाँ
with the answer? Yes. Alika will repeat. Yes, beta.
मुझे क्वेश्चन याद नहीं है पर आंसर याद है।
question है question is that we see the people who are apparently cunning, who are not good people, who are bad people, they flourish, they get the good things. So why good happens to bad people? That is the question.
Prabhuji, can I say?
Let her Alika complete, then you can say beta.
हाँ प्रभु जी तो हम लोग एग्जाम में अच्छे से नहीं पढ़ेंगे फिर हम लोग को गंदा मार्क्स मिलेगा। अगर फिर हम लोग अगर अपने मम्मी पापा को अगर वैसे नहीं भी बताएंगे फिर रिपोर्ट कार्ड में हम लोग को पता चल जाएगा कि हम लोग को गंदा मार्क्स मिला है।
Okay.
तो इसलिए बहुत सारा तरीका होता है जिससे हम लोग को पता चल सकता है, इसलिए हम लोग को ऐसा काम ही नहीं करना चाहिए,
Okay.
इससे हमें कुछ सजा मिल सकती है।
Okay. ठीक है. Yes, बोलिए. Who else? Yes, anybody? ये ये स्पेस और पीयूष. पीयूष आ रही है.
Prabhuji,
हाँ बेटा पीयूष को देते हैं मान.
हाँ प्रभु जी।
हाँ बोलिए बेटा. आपको व्हाट्स योर ओपिनियन?
अरे प्रभु जी हम भी वही बोलने वाले थे तो ये बोल दी।
ओके. ठीक है तो आपका भी ओपिनियन यही था कि आप बोल दीजिए आपका क्या ओपिनियन था. आई विल हियर फ्रॉम योर माउथ आल्सो. वी हैप्पी टू हियर. यस बोलिए.
हेलो।
यस वी कैन हियर यू. Okay. Anyway, so Avyukta beta, you have not spoken anything. Avyukta, are you there? Alika, Avyukta है?
हाँ है।
Okay. Avyukta, you are on focus. Please come. Okay.
Prabhu ji, he'll talk through my phone. Actually, his phone has become blackout.
Okay.
1 minute, Prabhu ji.
Prabhuji, can I say now?
हाँ बेटा.
बोलिए।
ये
Yes, Prabhu
अव्युक्त
ji.
भी आ गए. अव्युक्त भी आपको बोल देता. Yes, बोलिए अव्युक्त.
Just a second, Prabhu ji.
ठीक है. So yes, okay. Who yes बोलिए. नित्य आप बोल रहे थे.
प्रभुजी हम बोल रहे थे कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है बुरे लोगों के साथ अच्छा हो रहा है इस जन्म में, क्योंकि ये भी हो सकता है कि वो उनके पहले वाले जन्म में हम लोग ने कुछ अच्छा काम किया हो, इसलिए उसका कर्म हम लोग को इस जन्म में मिल रहा है।
Okay, nice. Yeah, very nice. So that was, I think, correct understanding. Because of previous life, they have done something good. That's why they are getting good results. Okay, so that shows right answer. Okay, but still, I am not convinced so fully about the karma. I see people smoking. I see people drinking, but they do not get suffering. But others people get suffering. The same person is smoking, one person getting suffering, another person not getting suffering. Why? Why is it so? ऐसा क्यों होता है? Because
प्रभुजी कैन आई हैव द रिप्लाई।
okay, मेरा क्वेश्चन पहले रिपीट करिए. What is my question? Then you can say. अच्छा yes.
है कि everyone knows this karma but still they are smoking and all, क्योंकि देखिए आपने क्लास में कहा था कि गंदा चीज आपको अट्रैक्ट करेगा, आपको खींचेगा, बट यू डोंट हैव टू गो। तो वही उन लोग के साथ हो रहा है, दे आर अट्रैक्टिंग एंड दे आर गोइंग विद देम, तो वही है।
Okay, ठीक है. Yes मेरा बेटा. क्या नाम है इसका? हिताशी. Yes हिताशी.
उनने पहले उनके पहले जब उनके पहले बॉर्न में उनने कुछ अच्छा काम किया होगा जिससे कि वो उनको भगवान दे रहे हैं।
अच्छा गुड. ओके सो मेरा भी क्वेश्चन है कि देखो हम देखते हैं कि यस दैट इज राइट आंसर. Thank you, Peter. Yes, Hitashi, you also have something?
No,
Same thing. Okay.
no.
Okay. Thank you.
Prabhuji, I have a question.
Yes. So let's hear the question of Vishaka. Okay, Vishaka, tell us your question.
Prabhuji, Prabhuji, not for people, but when we do good things and we get the result for good things, for whom do we do it?
When we do good thing, we get a good result. Then, for whom?
For whom do we do the good thing for getting a good result?
Okay, for what purpose we are doing?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay. So, how is it relevant with our discussion?
Prabhuji, when we were discussing, a question came to my mind.
Okay, yeah, that's a fair point. Yeah, that will make a difference. Yeah, that is a part of our discussion. We will discuss about that also. So,
Prabhuji,
okay, let me just summarize our discussion. So far, you all said you all believe in karma, and you said that if somebody is doing good, then he will get a good result. If somebody will doing bad, and he will get a bad result. But if somebody is doing good and getting bad result, is it because of his previous karma? But he did not need to worry. If he will keep on doing good, in the future he will get a good result. So far is okay. And if somebody is doing bad, even maybe he is getting some good results. Yes, better. So far we have discussed that it is a law of karma, and if we do good, we will get good results. And if we do something bad, we will get a bad result. And if there is some exceptions, if somebody is doing bad and getting good results, that is because of his previous karma. But if he may get the results. If he is doing bad, he will get the suffering in future that he cannot escape. Maybe that temporarily he is getting good result because of past, but in the future he will get suffering. That is like Vishaka said, झूठ ज़्यादा दिन नहीं छूटता. So in future it will come out. Okay. But he is somebody is doing good and he is getting suffering. That is because of his past. But if he keep on doing good, then the future he will get a good result. Okay. So let's accept this. Then my question is, how is it? Who controls this? Who makes sure that there is a law and who monitors our activities? Is it our each activity is monitored? Yes, Harshi believe.
Yes, it is monitored by God.
Okay. Yes. Thank you. And God monitors by different agents like sun, moon, and different demigods. Like there's a demigod from different directions also, and there's a Paramatma in the heart also, and Yamraj. So there are different agents. Like we have camera. Like similarly, the sun and the moon are the eyes of the God, and they monitor every actions we are doing. So we are accountable for each and every action. So let me ask you one more question. Do we need to worry about the law or just live our life? Why do we need to worry? Yes, Hitashi.
Because then the system will be bad.
Okay, if we do not follow law, the system will be bad. Everybody will do something wrong. Yes, please.
Wrong. Karma is as exact as law of gravity.
Okay, yes. So, okay, let me ask you. If somebody says, I do not believe in karma, will karma affect him? Yes. Like Nitya gave example. If somebody says, I do
Yes,
not,
Prabhuji.
if somebody says, I do not believe in gravity,
किसी चीज में बिलीव नहीं करती तो वो मेरे साथ नहीं होगा अगर एक जन के साथ हो रहा है तो वो सबके साथ होना चाहिए everyone is equal to God. This is the fair rule of universe.
okay. So let me give you the example. So like when we somebody says that I do not believe in gravity, there is no gravity. So what he should do? He should jump from 10th floor and prove there is no gravity. So if that person jumps from 10th floor and says there's no gravity, I do not believe in gravity, what will happen? His bones will break, whether he believe or not believe. The karma, law of karma applies on us. Like if we break a traffic signal and the traffic person catches us and gives us fine, can we say, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know the law? So we are supposed to know the law. We are supposed to know what is good and what is bad. I'll give you one more thing which is very important in our life also, especially in Kolkata. Many people smoke. So many people are smoking, and they think that it's good, and their friend says, "Oh, you also smoke. We also smoke." So in this world, there are four kind of people. One who learn by hearing. Okay, I saw that smoking is injurious to the health, so I heard it. I understood. This is best class of people. Another people who see people are suffering. They smoke, they get a cancer, so they think, okay, it's not good. I see the people are suffering because of smoking. I'll not do. Third kind of people, they suffer, then they understand. And the fourth kind of people, they suffer, still they do not understand. Have you heard the quote? The experience is the best teacher. Experience is the best teacher. Have you heard this quote? Who?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay, and what is the second line of this quote? Experience is the best
प्रभु जी
teacher.
मैंने सिर्फ यही लाइन सुना है.
Okay, इसका एक second line भी है. Experience is the best teacher and fools has no other way to learn. So we say the person who
प्रभु जी can you please repeat the quote?
yeah, the quote is experience is the best teacher and fools have no other way to learn. The people learn by experience, but the intelligent people learn by just hearing. Why do you need to smoke to learn that smoking is injurious to the health? You can learn by hearing. Okay, if there's a poison, if the bottle is written as a poison, do you need to taste it to understand it's a poison? Or you can just understand.
No,
Oh,
प्रभु जी.
if somebody says no, experience is the best teacher, I'll experience the poison, then I will say this is injurious. So what will happen? Will he survive to say? No. So the best thing is to learn by experience. Okay, smoking is injurious to our health, I'll not smoke. Whether our friends say, oh, smoke it. No, it's not okay, it's not good for my health, it's not good for my spiritual life, I'll not do it. Many people will say, okay, do it. It's not like most of the people are doing is the right thing. Not in this world, we see most of the people are going on the wrong path. Most of the people are wasting their time. It does not mean that is right way. Most of the people are watching cricket, most of the people are watching movies. Does not mean it is right. So we need to understand what is the law, what is the right thing, what is the bad thing. Yes, Hitashi, what is your question?
You said that experience is the best teacher. Then many people can experience anything.
Yeah, that's why that quote is not complete. Then the second part
So
of
we
that.
should not try experience which is not good.
Yes, we should not try experience for the not bad thing. We can learn by hearing only.
Then why did you tell experience is the best teacher?
बाबूजी
Yes, बोलिए बेटा.
मुझे मतलब डाउट था कि वो पूरा कोट है कि एक्सपीरियंस इज द बेस्ट टीचर, उसके आगे मैं सुन नहीं पाई थी, आप एक बार बोल सकते हैं?
Yeah, and fools have no other way to learn. बेटा
अब प्रभु जी अब अगर किसी ने स्मोकिंग करी और that is an experience and they still do not understand it's harmful, so we can give an example for this quote, right?
yes, and we can give example of this quote for also the person who learn by hearing also. Okay, I am not a fool who can learn by experience. I can learn just by hearing also, and I can learn by seeing the people around. People, the relationship breaks. People spoil just by because of bad association. So we need to avoid. So Hitashi, your question was why I said that quote that experience is the best teacher. Why it is best? It's not the best. That's why the second line is there, beta. And that is not my quote. That is a famous quote. Generally, people say experience is the best teacher. But that is not. Okay. Yes. Yes. बोलिए बेटा.
Manga.
Yeah. बोलिए.
When you know the law of karma, we create a world with actions of our body, speech, and mind. Empowered that future is in our hand. Good multiple good, bad multiple bad.
Yes.
Good equals to good.
Okay. Yes, better. Thank you. So, in our life, we need to have a fear of doing wrong thing. So, because even sometimes we do not get a reaction immediately, we may get a reaction after some time. Sometime I'll give you the example. Like if somebody is walking on the road and he slaps someone, then he will get a reaction immediately. And if somebody eats lots of ice cream in the night, then what will happen? He will get a reaction next day morning. And if somebody does not study whole year, then what will happen? He will get reaction after 1 year. If somebody smokes, he will get a reaction after many years. So the reaction comes in different time. This action is like a seed. Different seeds fruitify in different time. Like if you put the mango, it may take years for the fruits to come. But if you put some other some vegetables, they may come immediately or few days only. So it does not mean that I am not getting reaction immediately, it will not come. So we need to understand by our parents, by our teachers, what is good for me, what is bad for me. It's not like my friends is asking me, okay, let's go for a party, and we will go for a party. We need to take proper direction from our parents. That is very important in our life, because association is affects our life very much. What kind of people we are associating, what kind of friends we have. So this age is very important age. If you have a good friends who will take you in the right direction, your life will go to proper. Like if a plane from a starting point, if it diverts little bit, it will land from different direction. From it instead of landing to America, it will land to Pakistan. So it's very important that from a childhood we take it very carefully in our life. So that was about law of karma, and we need to understand law of karma. It's like a human. It's not like we can ignore and the reactions will not come. Human is supposed to know the law of karma. If somebody touches a fire and you say fire will not burn me, fire will not, will fire burn or not? Of course it will burn. So similarly, if somebody smoke, so that will affect his life. So we need to be very careful. Reaction may come immediately and may not come immediately. So I'll share one story. So you all of you remember that story and you tell me the lesson from this story. Okay?
Prabhuji,
Yes.
Prabhuji, we will give what we want in
Yes.
order to receive that thing.
Yes.
Prabhuji, Prabhuji, I want to add something that अगर जैसे हम लोग अब हम लोग को पता चल गया, बाकी सबको तो पता नहीं है. उन लोग का तो कर्मा रहेगा, पर अगर हम लोग को पता चल के अभी हम लोग अपना बैड कर्मा करेंगे तो हम लोग का डबल वो आएगा। जो नोट्स है ना भोपाली का, हम लोग का डबल कर्मा हम लोग होगा, डबल रहेगा।
Yes, beta. ठीक है. So let me share one story, beta. Okay, this is a story of one farmer, very poor farmer. He used to live with his wife and his widow sister. So they used to live in the outskirts of a village. They were very poor. They used to live with the
Prabhuji, what is widow?
widow is like whose husband has passed away. So that husband, wife, and that her sister, his sister. They three people used to live there, and they had very small, very little things, and with lot of difficulties they used to survive. They had no land, no money. The farmer used to go to forest, cut woods, and try to get something to eat. So they were living in that difficulties. So one day, one very rich person in the night time came to their home, and he said, I am traveling from this village to another village, and it is the evening time. I cannot travel right now. Can you allow me to stay in your home? So that man said, yes, you can stay, no problem. So they accommodated him. In the night, when he was sleeping, his sister came to him and said, brother, this man has lot of money and we are very poor. We are suffering lot of. So I have one plan. Let's kill him and take all his money. Man said, are you mad? If you kill, you will get a reaction. You should not do this. Then his sister went to his brother's wife and said, we are living so many difficulties. We should do something. And this man will not do anything. Let's both of us kill him. Then they had made a plan. Then with poor husband, what he would have done. Okay, he also accepted. Because if they will kill, he will also get the reaction. So they all three planned to kill him. So while he was sleeping, they killed him and took all his money. And after then they got lot of money. They were living so called happily. They had a now big bungalow. And that man had the man had a son. And after some time, then they were living there. He forgot that what had happened, and many years passed. And his sister also passed away. Now that man, his wife, and his son were living, and son was growing up. And later his son got married, and now they were living very happily. His son got a new wife. They were having a lot of happiness, and time was passing. But only suddenly they saw a lot of diseases coming. His son was always getting sick. They are going to different doctors. They were getting different medicines, but none of those medicines were working. Their money was, they spent lot of money, try to cure, because their son is everything. They try to cure, but no hope. Then they sold out their home. Still, nothing was working. Doctors not able to understand what happened. All money lost, and now they were living in a small hut, and son was still sick, not able to do anything. And the son was about to die. That son says, Father, can you get apple for me? I want to eat apple. The father sees he has no money. Then he sees he has some 10 rupees. Then he goes and get one apple. And son had that apple and he says, now all balance is over, and he dies. So he was thinking, what happened? Why he said before dying, all balance is over now? Actually, then he went to one sadhu. He told all the what had happened. Then sadhu closed his eyes and says, "Do you know who was that your son? He was the same businessman who came to your home, and you had killed him, and you have taken his money, and the same son, the same businessman has come in this life as your son, and he took away all his money." Then sadhu said, that man said, okay, thank you, I got my suffering, but why this lady? She is newly married with my son, why she will suffer? Then the sage says, do you know who is this lady? She was your sister in previous life. She was widow and she is again now widow. You had no money and now you have no money. You was living in hut, again you are living in hut. Everything which you stolen is taken away. So in this life,
Hello.
we get the karma is very complex. So we do not know how and when which reaction we are getting. So we need to be very careful that we do not do anything wrong in our life. We try to avoid wrong association. Even how great we are. I'll tell you, in my engineering college, in my school, they were toppers and they are spoiled because of bad association. They were very good in their academics, but because of bad association, they indulge in smoking, drinking, and they spoil their life. So my very request, we try to have a good association because this karma is very complex. So have a good association, have a good habits, avoid any sinful activity. So I'm coming back to my Mahabharata. Before telling, yes, anybody has any question? Hitashi has some question. Yes, Peter.
The moral of the story is what God has given you. Don't ask more than that.
Yes, and try to do good karma. Do not do any sinful things. If you buy sinful thing, if buy bad thing you earn, that will go away. And karma is very complex. Yes, beta.
प्रभु जी एक इसमें ये भी लिखा है what is not important is not where you are right now. What is important is where you want to be.
Yes. So it's not very important how poor you are and how difficult situation you are. But if you do good karma, surely you will get a good results. So this story is clear? Yes, Vishaka, what is your question?
Puja didn't have a question. Prabhuji, can I go to the washroom?
Yes, beta. Then I'll
प्रभुजी
Yes, beta.
प्रभुजी अभी भी आप कर्मा में बिलीव नहीं करते.
I convinced. Now I am believe in karma. Thank you, beta. You all make me convinced that there is a karma, and I am a strong believer of karma now. Thank you. So you all are winner. So this. Thank you very much. So
प्रभुजी thank you you too.
okay. Thank you. So let's continue our story of Mahabharata with this karma only. So okay, I'll not take much time. So after so we have shared that in Shishupal how Shishupal was killed, and they Yudhishthira and other Pandavas performed the Rasya Yagya, and they were living very happily in Indraprastha. On the other side, Kauravas were very envious, very much suffering seeing the prosperity of Pandavas. So they thought, what should we do? Then Duryodhana went to Shakuni. Shakuni said, let's have a plan. Let's call them for the game of gambling. And I am expert in gambling. I'll defeat them. And in the gambling, we will take their kingdom.
Prabhuji, what is gambling?
Gambling, beta, is...
प्रभुजी it is Ludo. A type of Ludo. Ludo type of the dice घुमाना पड़ता है.
अरे
टू
gambling,
डाइस रहता है
gambling is that, and gambling is anything which people put bet, like lottery, all those things. These are some gambling, like okay, like lottery, and now games. There are so many unnecessary games. Are rummy. These all things are gambling, unnecessary things. So okay, so they thought we will call him to the game of dice and gambling. So game of dice is like a chopper, like Ludo type of thing, and the person there has to play the, I don't know what do they call it, passe, yes. Then he throws that
Prabhuji dies.
dice, yeah, dice. The dice, he throws the dice and they get the numbers. Then he put the, okay, I'll bet this and that. So like this. Then they thought, okay, we will plan Pandavas for the game of dice, and we will ask them to put their all wealth, all weapons, even their wife on the bet, and I'll make sure that you will win. So Duryodhana said, okay. Then they convinced Dhritarashtra to call them for the friendly game of dice. And when the message went to Yudhishthira understood that this gambling is to cheat them. And gambling is not good because Yudhishthira is Dharmraj. And he knew that the gambling is a sinful activity. We should do our karma. Why should we gamble? Then still, because it was order of Dhritarashtra, so he came. All the five Pandavas, all the queens, they came to Hastinapur. And there was a gambling match. And unfortunately, the same thing happened. Yudhishthira lost everything. He lost his kingdom, he lost his brothers, he lost all his weapon, even he lost his wife. So the lesson is, even how powerful we are, even the
मुझे his kingdom also
even the Yudhishthira, the Dharmraja, if he
kingdom
indulged,
his Sena and all
if he indulged in sinful activity, if he indulged in gambling, that will destroy his. That will get harm him. That will get a suffering. So
मुझे वो लोग 64 बोलते थे उसको
yes, beta, Joseph wrote it. So game of dice is fine. So then we need to understand. We need to take this lesson that in our life we do not commit anything sinful. We do not indulge anything smoking and anything games. These games are not good. Many times rummy game, all those things are not good. So that's a lesson from today's session. And today we have discussed about the law of karma. What is law of karma? How does it act? And we have discussed this, why good things happen to bad people, why bad things happen to good people. And I shared a story to show how karma is very complex. Different actions get a results in different time, but we are monitored. For each action we are accountable. So my last discussion is, what benefit we get by understanding this law of karma. What are the benefits in our life?
Prabhuji, I want to ask something.
Okay, let me complete this better. So what are the benefits in our life by understanding the law of karma? What, when we knew that for each action we are accountable, when the society is new that for each action, when the society knows that they are accountable for their action,
Start
what
ready card.
benefit they get.
Ready card.
So okay, my question is clear.
Prabhuji,
Yes, brilliant.
powerful. Don't hurt anyone. Be good and do good. Good will and the way to good. Do good.
What was my question? Yes, my question. Who can tell my question? What was my question? My question is, what is the benefit of understanding the law of karma in our life? Yes, आपके जीवन में क्या benefit होता है? और सोसाइटी में क्या बेनिफिट होगा इफ वी अंडरस्टैंड द लॉ ऑफ कर्मा. नहीं बेटा, नहीं, लेट अदर्स आल्सो स्पीक बेटा. Yes, let me give chance to others also, beta. Yes, I'll hear from Vanshika, then Piyush, and Hitashi, Harshi. Everybody can speak. So my question is very simple. I am simplifying. You knew that there is a law of karma, and society understands there is a law of karma. What is the benefit we get as in our life and in the life of whole world? Yes.
प्रभु जी
Yes, Vanshika.
प्रभु जी, अगर हम लोग लॉ ऑफ कर्मा को समझ गए तो सोसाइटी में फर्क पड़ेगा कि सब लोग अच्छे से रहेंगे और जैसे पूरे वर्ल्ड में एकदम शांति रहेगी. जैसे आजकल पाकिस्तान और इंडिया में बहुत सारे लड़ाई झगड़े तो वो कब बिल्कुल नहीं होंगे, एकदम खत्म हो जाएंगे.
Right answer, beta. Because there will be peace. People understand they are accountable for their action. Yes. Any other point? Okay. Who would like Alikya? Alikya, beta. Okay. Let's hear from Meda. Yes, Meda.
प्रभु जी मुझे आंसर नहीं बोला, मुझे डाउट है.
Yes, beta. What is your question?
प्रभु जी मुझे अभी भी कर्मा ठीक से नहीं समझ में आया.
Okay. So now you are in my party. Okay. Okay. So I'll quickly explain again, beta. What is your question in karma? What you could not understood in karma?
I understood there are 4 types of people, but I did not understand why good things happen to bad people and why bad things happen to good people.
Okay. Good things and bad things. Why good things happen to bad people? Because beta in previous life they may have done something wrong. That's why they get some bad reaction. It's like the karma. They are for each karma we develop one seed, and for each karma to fructify it takes different time. Like the story I shared of the person who got a son and his son was died. Now he can say why these things happened to my life. Why my son got married and died because of some disease. Because he has done something bad in previously. That's my reaction. Reaction may come of this life or reaction may come of previous life. Is it clear now? Beta?
Yes, Prabhu ji.
Thank you, Beta. Okay, so what benefit we get in our life by understanding the law of karma? One thing Vanshika said, there will be peace in the world. People do not fight because they will understand that we are accountable in our life, and in our life we will be peaceful and we will be blissful and we will not lament when the suffering will come because we understand this is because of our previous karma, and we will work hard. Okay. Okay. Yes, Hitashi, your question is there? So, anything else? Is there any question you can ask? Otherwise, we will finish today's session and with the prayers that Lord give us the strength to walk on the right path and have a right association in our life, and so that we can say no to bad things. Yes. Okay. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Thank you very much for your time.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Our most active.
Prabhuji,
Hare-
you sent this.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu ji.
हरे कृष्णा.
Prabhu ji.
Yes, गीत बेटा.
प्रभुजी, दीदी को एक क्वेश्चन है.
हाँ, गीत का क्वेश्चन कर लेते पहले, फिर आपका दीदी का. यस, गीत क्या क्वेश्चन है आपका?
प्रभु जी, क्या हम लोग हरे कृष्णा वाला गेम खेल सकते हैं?
यस बेटा, आई लव दैट गेम बेटा. यस, गीत आपके हम खेलेंगे. जो जानना चाहते चले जाएंगे. ठीक. तो ओके.
प्रभु जी, क्विज के रिजल्ट्स क्या है? हमको दिख नहीं रहा है.
प्रभु जी मेरे को पता है इसके रिजल्ट.
ओके, आई थिंक
प्रभुजी, मुझे भी पता है.
अच्छा, तो परिधि आई थिंक कैन.
प्रभुजी, रिजल्ट्स ऑफ क्विज.
Yes. So I'll share in WhatsApp. I think Paridi was topper. And
नो प्रभु जी, नो.
You is the topper.
Yes, प्रभु जी. I'm Paridhi and Shakha runner-ups.
okay. And who was the topper?
प्रभु जी दीदी ने यो नाम से किया था।